I swear to God, this is like the worst thing.
And I'm gonna clean up. You hear, huh?
I'm recording
For what?
for posterity purposes, just in case I was gonna say I lost my earrings, but I didn't. And I don't know why I was about to have a heart attack, and these earrings came from like Walmart or something. My husband knows that I hate the car wash with a purple passion. Purple. And he gonna bring me to this car. I think he does this on purpose.
I did. But the car, I mean, it needs some cleaning.
Yeah.
Inside and out.
Okay. Just because she need cleaning don't mean I got to be here when she get a bath.
It was all kinds of.
It's some kind of
fire.
It's a fire
ash.
burning somewhere here in California, and it's ash falling all in this area. It's like
Ash, babe.
Isn't that what I said?
Sound like you said ass. It's ass falling everywhere.
Ash.
Ash is just falling.
Eric.
That's not even funny. Nobody even get that. I should make you bring those mirrors in, but that's all right.
I'm not doing all of that. Break my pretty fingernails. I'm not touching that mirror. Oh, Lord. This thing gonna be moving and stuff. Oh, Lord. I didn't know it was gonna do all that. It's doing too much.
And I gotta get some wiper blades.
It's doing too much, and it's doing it on the car in front of us. I know it's gonna do way too much for us. Uh-oh. I think it's those little brushes. The brushes, the things that be twirling around is what irritates. My hair looks super great. Squirrel! I'm gonna dye my hair this weekend. I'm gonna wash that gray right out of my hair. Didn't that used to be a song?
Something like that.
How many washes do the car get?
Just one.
No, I mean like not how many washes, but how many soaps do they get? I am glad I ain't got nothing in the groceries that need to go home.
Well, it was only gonna take a minute anyway. I guess I may as well put something on Jack.
I'm gonna add some music to this because we are so boring. We didn't used to be this boring. What happened to us?
I'm not bored.
You're not saying anything though. Don't. That's the music that people be using on their videos. It's free. And since we can't play any regular music, I was gonna make my own. The light didn't turn green for you yet, sir. Oh, it's green now.
Yeah, I'm waiting until she moves on.
I will honk at her.
Why? She's still on the clock.
Oh, okay. Because I don't have no patience. Get out the way, girl. Get out.
This is why it's an advantage to do it at night because you don't get the sun drying it and you get streaks. Now she's gonna back up. We're gonna back up now.
What's she backing up for?
Trying to get everything blown off, but you're missing the whole backside.
Girl, if you don't get out this car wash so I can get out of here, I'm already having a whole anxiety attack, and our wash hasn't even started yet.
Come on, child.
These nails actually did turn out cute, y'all.
We don't go ahead and get started.
Oh, Lord.
mirror in.
Boy, you got me messed up if you think I'm about to roll this window down and touch that mirror. I'm already about to have. I'm not touching that mirror. You should have thought about that before we got in here. Are we moving or is the thing moving?
You're moving.
So are we on some type of conveyor belt or something? Oh, you moving the car?
No, I'm not. We're in one spot. The thing is just moving back and forth. Just chill. Just chill. It's alright.
I swear I'm about to have a heart attack. See, that's the part I don't like. These colors. I don't like that. That looks weird. Oh, Lord. Now it sounds like a thunderstorm. What? Okay, this makes my double chin look fat. I gotta be making all the terrible.
Aren't you supposed to do it from an angle?
To make my chin not look fat? I would have to hold the camera way up on the roof of the car.
That's what they do.
Okay, this is too much. When is this gonna be over? Is this it?
Almost.
No, it's not. They're using more soap. They done changed colors and everything.
Really? It's just a car wash. It's just a car wash. It's just a car wash. Just chill.
I don't like it. When I was little, my mama used to let me hide in the back seat.
And you're free to hide. You're going back there and hide.
You're not really being a loving husband.
That's loving. I'm letting you do. You said your mama let you hide. I'm letting you hide. If I wasn't loving, I'd say, get out the car right now.
In the middle of the car wash? Okay, it's over. We're at the blowing stage.
So we got a minute and 10 seconds remaining.
Oh, I didn't know it had a timer.
That's what I said. It's still
Is anybody behind us? Yeah.
It's 2 cars behind us.
Well, y'all just gonna have to wait because we got 55 more seconds. Well, 46. Keep on.